much for gifting us something to stop touching. Stop touching. Guys, I want you to do me a favor right this second. We need to put some positivity in the universe. I want you to stand up out of your computer chair right this second. I want you to take a glance around your bedroom. I want you to find 2 objects that are touching. And I want you to separate them. Please, deliver me, please, 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 deliver me, please, please, please. You'll have what I'm having? I'm on 6 medications right now, that's what I'm having. Kaiser. Kaiser. God damn it, Kaiser. I'm gonna have to try to read this without laughing. Okay. Thank you for giving us thank you for giving... Okay. Serious time, boss. Thank you for gifting us. Okay, wait. I'm gonna try to read it like I'm trying to audition for part. Okay, that didn't count because I didn't read it yet. Okay, Kaiser, thank you so much for gifting us about you. No touching, please. Okay, are we all sat back in our chairs? Things aren't touching anymore, guys? Did we put some good positivity out in the universe? Did we do that? I can't proceed on with the show unless I have affirmation that you guys did that.